African music and dance. In the heart of Africa, where the sun painted the sky with hues of orange and red, there existed a village named Miziki. This village was tucked away in the embrace of lush greenery and rolling hills. But it was not just an ordinary settlement. It was a haven where the spirit of African music and dance thrived like a vibrant flame, igniting the souls of its inhabitants. In Miziki, every dawn was greeted with the rhythmic beats of drums echoing through the air. The villagers, dressed in colorful garments, adorned with intricate beadwork, would gather in a sacred clearing to commence their day with a dance that spoke the language of their ancestors. The heartbeat of Miziki was the master drummer Nia. With hands weathered by years of devotion to his craft, Nia could coax a mesmerizing array of sounds from the drums that seemed to resonate with the very pulse of the earth. His fingers danced on the drumheads like a painter's brush, creating a canvas of beats that told stories of joy, sorrow, and everything in between. One day, as the sun reached its zenith, a traveling musician named Kofi arrived in Miziki. His instrument of choice was the kora. A harp-like stringed instrument that had the power to summon emotions from the depths of the soul. Kofi, with his nomadic spirit and a weathered instrument passed down through generations, brought a new dimension to the musical tapestry of Miziki. The villagers welcomed Kofi with open arms, eager to merge their traditional beats with the enchanting melodies of the kora. Nia and Kofi, despite their differing musical backgrounds, found a harmonious balance that transcended language. Their collaboration birthed a musical fusion that echoed through the hills, blending the ancient rhythms of Miziki with the timeless melodies of Kofi's kora. The villagers gathered for a grand celebration. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the air was filled with the scent of simmering stews and the warmth of a communal fire. The dance began with a fluid movement of bodies, guided by the drum's hypnotic pulse and the kora's ethereal notes. It was a dance of unity, a testament to the power of music in bringing people together. The night wore on, and the music became a portal to another realm. The villagers, lost in the trance of the rhythm, felt a connection not only to each other, but also to the spirits of their ancestors. The dance became a storytelling ritual, each movement conveying tales of triumph, love, and the eternal cycle of life. During the celebration, a young girl named Amina stepped forward. Her eyes sparkled with determination as she began to move to the beat with a grace that belied her age. Amina's dance was a revelation, a fusion of tradition and modernity, echoing the evolving nature of African music. The villagers watched in awe as she seamlessly blended the rhythmic footwork of her ancestors with the contemporary twists that reflected the changing times. As the night reached its crescendo, the music of Miziki became a living, breathing entity. It was no longer just a collection of sounds. It was a narrative, a living history that pulsed through the veins of the villagers. The dance, a reflection of their journey, spoke of resilience, celebration, and the ever-present spirit of innovation. The following morning, as Kofi prepared to leave Miziki and continue his journey, the villagers gathered to bid him farewell. Nia, the master drummer, approached him with a gift, a set of hand-carved drumsticks adorned with symbols to represent the unity forged through their music. Kofi, in return, handed Nia a small pouch containing the essence of his journey, encapsulated in the melodies of the Kora. As Kofi disappeared into the horizon, the villagers of Miziki realized that the magic of their music and dance was not confined to their village alone. It was a gift meant to be shared with the world, a testament to the universality of human expression. Inspired by the encounter with Kofi, the villagers continued to innovate, infusing their traditional beats with new instruments and influences, creating a musical legacy that echoed through generations. In the years that followed, Miziki became a beacon for musicians and dancers from far and wide. The village square, once a sacred clearing, transformed into a global stage where artists converged to exchange ideas and celebrate the diversity of African music and dance. The rhythms of Miziki traveled across borders, leaving an indelible mark on the world's musical landscape.